In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make tier list with Kapwing. We'll build a clean, customizable tier list using Kapwing's tier list meme maker template, perfect for ranking characters, products, or anything you want. First, head to Kapwing and open the tier list meme maker template. If you don't see it on the home page, use the search bar to find it quickly. The template gives you a ready-made layout with tier rows and placeholders, so you can focus on what you're ranking instead of starting from scratch. Click Edit this template, or Start Editing, to open the tier list canvas. You'll see rows labeled S, A, B, C, and so on, plus a workspace where you'll drop your images. Take a second to familiarize yourself with the canvas tools. Zoom controls and the Layers panel can help you line things up neatly as you go. Now add the items you want to rank. Upload images or photos for each item. These can be thumbnails of characters, product shots, or logos. For the cleanest look, try to use images with similar dimensions. Square or centered images usually sit best in the rows and help your list look balanced. If any image has a background you don't want, remove it so the list looks clean. Kapwing includes a background remover, which can quickly isolate your subject, or you can start with PNG files that already have transparent backgrounds. After removing the background, you can crop or resize so everything is consistent. Drag each item into the tier where you want it. Click and drag to place an image under S for top tier, A for almost the best, and so on. You can rearrange items at any time, and you can adjust the order within a row to show which items rank higher or lower relative to each other. Use the snapping guides to keep spacing even. Customize the text and labels to match your style. Change the tier names if you want custom categories, edit the font for a bold or minimal look, and tweak colors to match your theme. Clear color coding helps people read your rankings at a glance, and descriptive labels make your criteria obvious. Take a final pass to check alignment, sizing, and readability. Once everything looks the way you like, your tier list is ready to share, present, or embed wherever you need it. That's all there is to it. Simple, fast, and totally customizable.